Well, I did such a good job on the last little electrical project. I'm told I need to replace this light fixture. See, the trim on this is all pulled apart. That's an LED light bulb, and it's just sitting up there, and that doesn't look very nice, does it? So down to the hardware store we went, and we got the cheapest thing known to man, and it's called a jelly jar. They don't, this one, they actually call it a wall lantern, but sometimes they sell those and advertise them as the jelly jar because it looks like a jelly jar and it faces downward, and that's what we're going to install up there. You want to watch that? Stick around. Now, of course, before you work on any electrical, just because the light bulb is not on, you do not want to make the assumption that the light switch is off, because that could be a burned out bulb. It could be in there kind of funky. There might be some sort of electrical issue with the light fixture itself. So go inside, make sure the light switch is off, and this one is, so we're ready to go. And this is all the things I have, and I'm hoping I don't have to use anything else. I got a sheetrock knife, pair of pliers, Phillips screwdriver, and a standard slotted screwdriver. And the reason why for the sheetrock knife is because I noticed that when they painted this, they painted the light fixture too. See right in there? They just slapped the paint up there. So when I take that trim off, I don't want it to rip the paint all the way down this piece of trim. And I've also noticed that there's a big long split in this piece of wood. Look at that. And see, it goes up above. So my thought too is when I pull that off, that piece might come off. You see that nail right there? That nasty nail made it split, and I don't know what I'm going to have to do with that. I might have to pull that off and find some caulking or something and put that back up there, put some tape on it or something. I don't have any nails with me. I don't have anything. All I got is the stuff I'm showing you, and I'm hoping to get this job done. Let's have at it, shall we? And of course I'm outside, and of course I'm fairly close to the street, and of course there's cars coming by and all kinds of other stuff. So you're just going to have to bear with me. Sounds of nature and being outside. That's what you get today. The first thing I got to do is I've got to score around here where that paint mark is. And I just want to do it just to be on the safe side, so I don't rip the paint like I was telling you. It looks like it's actually pretty good. Let's see if I can get up there. I'm gonna go ahead and undo the screws. And there's only 2 screws. These are surface mounted screws. Oh, and I failed to say jets. There's jets around here too. Now see, it's loose. So at least I know the paint is not going to peel off. I'm going to have to kind of hang on to this. Pull this back gently. There's not even a junction box up here. Do you see that? Look at that. That's what we got so far. And I'm going to save the light bulb. This is a fairly new LED light bulb. And these are nice. If you get a chance to upgrade your light bulbs, think about going with the LEDs. This is kind of, it almost has a rubbery surface around it. And then you've got the fins on here. And hopefully I can screw that back up into the new jelly jar that we're going to put in. Okay, so the next step is all I have to do is undo those 2 screws. or the wire nuts right there. And I'm going to save those wire nuts because not quite sure if I've got any new ones that come with the light fixture, but I think they do. So that's our next go. We're going to undo those two wire nuts. See, we're halfway there.